Picture this. You're driving and someone cuts you off. Your partner leaves the dishes out again. A friend says something that rubs you the wrong way. Suddenly, you feel the heat rise. Your voice gets loud. You say things you later regret. Small things, big reactions. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Many of us explode over little stuff, and it quietly ruins our peace, relationships, and even our health. The Stoics figured this out long ago. They learned how to stay calm no matter what. In this video, I'm going to walk you through simple, step-by-step ways to stop exploding and build real inner calm. Stick with me. This can change your daily life. Exploding over small things happens to everyone. One minute you're fine, the next you're angry about something that doesn't really matter in the big picture. The Stoics, wise men like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus, lived in tough times, wars, politics, personal losses, yet they trained themselves to stay steady. Their secret? They realized it's not the situation that makes us angry, it's how we think about it. They practiced controlling their reactions so small problems couldn't steal their peace. We're going to break this down simply, with clear examples and easy things you can start doing today. No complicated ideas, just practical Stoic tools for real life. Life throws little frustrations at us every day. The Stoics said these small things only bother us because we give them too much meaning. Imagine a cup of water. A small drop makes it overflow only if the cup is already full. If your mind is full of stress and expectations, even tiny things push you over the edge. Marcus Aurelius wrote in his private journal that we should expect difficult people and problems every day. When you expect them, they don't shock you as much. The first and easiest tool, pause. Seneca said anger is like a fire. Give it a moment and it often burns out. Next time you feel yourself getting hot, stop. Count to 10 slowly. Take 3 deep breaths. Walk to another room if you can. This short pause gives you a chance to choose your response instead of exploding. Try it today. It feels awkward at first, but gets easier fast. The Stoics didn't wait for problems. They prepared their minds every morning. Marcus would think, today I might meet rude people, delays, or disappointments. This is called getting ready for the worst in small ways. When the annoying thing happens, you're not surprised. You stay calm because you already thought about it. Simple morning habit. Spend 2 minutes thinking about possible small frustrations and how you'll handle them calmly. Ask yourself, is this really worth my energy? A late text message isn't the end of the world. Dirty dishes aren't a personal attack. The Stoics trained themselves to look at situations plainly. They asked, what can I control here? Usually, it's only your own attitude and actions. Seneca sometimes chose to live simply plain food, uncomfortable situations on purpose. This trained him so real problems felt smaller. You can do the same. Take a cold shower, skip a comfort food, do something a bit hard each day. Over time, small annoyances won't bother you as much. At the end of the day, ask, did I let small things steal my peace today? Replace anger with better actions, patience, understanding, or just letting it go. This builds a calm life, one day at a time. Here are easy steps you can use this week. Pick one small trigger, traffic, chores, comments, and decide how you'll pause next time. Every morning, spend 2 minutes preparing for the day's small problems. Keep a simple note or reminder on your phone. Stay calm. This too shall pass. At night, think about one moment you handled well and one you could improve. Start small, one trigger at a time. You'll notice yourself getting calmer within days. Stopping explosions over small things is one of the best gifts you can give yourself and the people around you. You'll have better relationships, clearer thinking, and real inner peace. The Stoics proved it works. They lived it in much harder times than ours. You don't have to be perfect, just a little better each day. Choose calm, choose control. Your future self will thank you. Comment below. What's one small thing that makes you explode? And what will you try differently this week? I read every comment. Let's support each other. If this helped, like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Go practice calm today. I'll see you in the next one.